How to set up a activity-based commission. Go to settings, click on commissions under customization, scroll down to activity-based commissions and switch on. If you look at the menu on the side, you will see you have two additional tabs, events and activities. First, set up your activities. These are the activities that will be required to be achieved to qualify for commission. In this case, we've used new logos and phone calls. On an ongoing basis, you would then add the events. These would either be added manually or could be imported via an API. And if we have a look at this particular example here, this is lead generation activity for payee number 4. This is for the week of the 8th of March to the 14th of March. And so far we have 3 new logos that have been generated and 50 outbound phone calls. You would set up a commission that is targeted on these items. So when you do this, you would have a lead generation target. You would select activity volume. You would select the activity, update the target. You could say number of phone calls required in a week is 75 and number of new logos required in a week is 2. Based on the current example, this user would have exceeded the logos but not yet exceeded the number of calls. This could be a recurring target starting, say, at the beginning of this year, 2021, and we would save that. We can then add the commission, lead generation commission. This has already been attached to the lead generation target. The commission status to be commissionable needs to be 1, the event status I should say. And then what we can do is we can set up a commission tier for each of those. So we could say from 0 to 25 outbound calls, they will receive an amount per tier, a fixed amount. So we could say $25 US for doing these first calls. Greater than 25 up until 100, we will now pay them a commission of $50, and then greater than 100 calls to no upper tier limit, we will pay them a fixed commission of 100. We can also say this is per event. That would mean for every single item. So if we said per event 1 to 25, the individual did 25 calls, we could say we would pay $1 per call, or we could say it would be 1 cent per call if we were setting it up as such. Right, and we can set individual tiers for each of those activities. So for a new logo, we would do something similar. To know every new logo that you create, what we will do is we will pay $60 and we can save this. No criteria, no formula, save.